Hello students, now we'll start with new topic, levels of body organization in animal kingdom. So here we read about what type of the cells or the protoplasm type of substance that is responsible for the all over metabolic activities of the cell. So basing on whether the protoplasm is taking out the role of all metabolic activities of the body, or cells are taking the role of all metabolic activities of the body, or tissues are taking responsibility for all metabolic activities of the body. So basing on the level of development, we read this level of body organization. First one under basis of classification is level of body organization. First one is protoplasmic level. In some types of organisms, body is not having any type of cells, other cells. The total body is nothing but made up of single cell, and the fluid that is present, either the nucleoplasm or the cytoplasm, and together cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm, they are responsible for all metabolic activities of the body. The protoplasm present in single cell of body is responsible for all metabolic activities. We can also say one single cell is behaving as one complete organism. Here, example is amoeba. So, amoeba is an unicellular eukaryotic organism. It is studied under protozoa and comes under kingdom Protista. Second level of body organization is explained as cellular level of organization. Here, body is made up of many cells, but the cells that are present within one body are not having coordination among themselves. It means that each cell of the body is doing its own separate or contrast functions. For suppose, if there are 10 number of cells, one cell is doing the process of digestion, one cell is doing the process of respiration, one cell is meant for reproduction, one cell is meant for excretion, like that. So each cell of the body is doing its own separate function. Such a type of body organization is seen in case of sponges. Body is made of many cells, but each cell does its own separate function, but all are staying together as a body. Here example is sponges. Next, third one is tissue level of body organization. What is a tissue? A group of cells which are doing same type of function but should be of same origin in nature. Such types of group of cells are called as tissues. Now, Some types of organisms have stopped their evolutionary development of the body after forming of tissue. Means here, some tissues are doing their own specific function. They are not converted into organs or organ systems. Such type of tissue level of organization is seen in case of Coelenterata and Ctenophora. In Coelenterata and Ctenophores, body has different tissues that does their specific function. So here examples nothing but Hydra also we can take. Next one, organ level of organization. In this type, in course of evolution, body is having different types of organs, but those organs are not having coordination with each other. Their body level means total body is stopped up to organ formation. Each organ is doing its own separate function, but all are gathered together to form one complete body. Here we can take example like Platyhelminthes. Here what happens? Few organs are present in one small part of the total body. We can give a term like proglatids because, for example, if you take tapeworms under Platyhelminthes, what happens? Body is divided into small fragments. Each fragment is given a term like proglatid. Proglatid is having few number or few combinations of organs inside it. That small fragment is behaving as complete organism when it is separated from the body. Means a matured fragment that we call as gravid proglatid. That is having a combination of organs. It means that in course of evolution, that Platyhelminthes has stopped their development at organ level. Body has a group of organs that does their own specific function and form into one complete body. Next one is organ system level of organization. This we can see starting from Nematohelminthes to Chordata. Organ system level of body organization. Here we can see starting from Nematohelminthes. We also give a term like nematodes or Aschelminthes. Here, in case of this organ system level of body organization, there is coordination between each and every organ system. For example, there is coordination between digestive system and excretory system. There is coordination between circulatory system and respiratory system. So, in case of higher organisms, we can see organ system level of body organization. This is about levels of body organization.